board, they still have some components on the top. First one, we need to remove some components. After that, we will get the bare board. We will put the bare board into this whole processing line. So that was totally different. I will introduce two different parts for you today. The first one, how did we make this PCB board into the bare board? At this moment, we're supposed to be using one machine. It's called the components machines. So for this machine, we will heat it using the natural gas or electric, and then we just heat it on the degree went to the 100 degree, I think, maybe 100 degree, and this one will be melt. After that, this all the things will be falling down, and then we will get the bare board. So for the components machine, okay, for the components machines, you can use it very well. And then after that, this is the bare board. After the bare board, we just put it on the belt conveyor, or you can just throw it into the shredder directly. You can directly throw it into the machines, the shredder. And by the way, in here I have to tell you, for the shredder, the materials we are using the 16.5 Mong. That is a good material, so can make sure you can crack this bare board very well. After that, this one will be shred into 5 centimeters. After the first shredder, we will go into the second crusher. This bare board will be divided into 3 millimeters, 3 centimeters to 5 centimeters. And then we will go into the second crusher. Second crusher will divide it into the 4 millimeters. Yes, you are not here wrong, it's 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters. After that, we will pass by the crusher, go into the air separation. Just make sure our final product is the mixed resin and fiber powder, and then we have the mixed metals as well. The metals is contain like gold, silver, and some coppers, and some of them maybe have some alumina, I think. Yes, just mixture. So for this whole processing line, that works very well. And then this is vibrating screen. For the videos is right here, the vibrating screen. This machine was very useful. They will separate if the pieces is not reached to 4 millimeters or it's not reached to the small pieces. They will put it back into the crusher and crush it one more time. So that was totally different. And then after that, let's go next time. Let's go next step. So that is a frequency about the whole processing line. Later I will introduce more small details. So a lot of people always ask me where they will get these raw materials, where they can get it, where they can use it, or how can I choose your company machines, how can I choose the capacity. I'm not sure every day how many raw materials I get it. So today you can connect with our customer service, with our professional sales manager. They will give you very good suggestion, and they will give you a good plan to do this industry. Hi, Safino Armana, welcome to our live stream. Hello. Alright. And our company already have the 13 years experience to produce all the machines. We are the manufacturer, and we just produce some copper cable wire recycling machine. and also PCB board recycling machine. Before we also product some radiator separator machines, but right now we stop it. And for our machines, we are have more than 100 countries using our factory machines. Why they choose us? Because we have very huge factory. It's more than 14,000 square meters, and also we have our professional technical team. Also we have our professional engineer. So that is very nice. And also we have the service team, after sales service team. During this time, if you do have any question, you can just go straightly connect with our customer service here. Okay, thank you so much for your likes, and welcome new friends. Welcome to our live stream. Welcome new friends. Hello. Alright, so okay, so first, what is the e-waste? Anybody knows? Everybody, do you know what is the e-waste? Also, what is the PCB board? Does anybody know? If you words know, you can tap in the comment area. So let us have a conversation here. Okay, after 1 second, if you don't know, I will introduce that for you. So first of all, for the e-waste that we just see in our daily life, like in the TV show, they supposed to have the board just like those. And then we have the computer, right? For the computer, this one also is the board, PCB board. They are using for have some procedure, have some things, we can use that. And also in some countries, they supposed to have the like what is how did we call that? It's like coppers and alumina put together, the board put together, like some sticky things in the middle, and then we can separate that as well. Yeah, that is totally the things. Okay, so guys, later I would like to introduce one by one about these pieces. I will introduce for you one by one. If you do have any question during this live stream, you can just tell me directly. Otherwise, I will introduce for you more details. Okay. And by the way, just give you recommend. Don't forget to follow Debbie here. So next time when you go our live stream, you will see some different introduction. Like maybe this time I introduce the PCB board recycling machine. Maybe next time I will introduce the copperware recycling machines for you. That was totally different machines, and that is different about raw materials. So just give me a follow and leave your WhatsApp numbers or your WeChat numbers or your email for us. We can connect with you. We can just send more details, information about our equipment. Okay, so first of all, for this one, first of all, this one we can just deal with some recycled things, like just now we always talk about the PCB board, right? Like they have some coppers. This is like a coppers, and then they have some steel lens, and then they have some this one we call it radiator. Just all remove those things. So first of all, we're supposed to be using one machine. Let me just find it for you. Okay, let me just find it for you. Just wait 1 second, everybody. Yeah, This one we call the PCB board dismantling machine. Just remove some components on the top, and then we just remove those things on the top, and after that we supposedly have one question about the PCB dismantling machine. How did we deal with the smoke? Because when you just heat it, when you just burn it, this supposedly have some smoke will be come out. How did we deal with it? Hi Adil, welcome Adil, how are you? You are choosing the machine. Here you can choose the machines. It's our environmental machinery. If you are interested, just choose it. Choose us. Oh my god, are you go? You're not here. Oh, really? So this machine we have one question. How did we deal with the smoke? Some people they choose the pour starts the collection to remove the smoke. Some people they just using some catalyst to remove the flavor, and some people they just choose some other materials to remove the flavor. After that, and we have the bare board. Also, we just deal with about the bare board. Hi Amand, welcome Amand. Plastic sheet, we can deal with a plastic here. Okay, so this time let me continue. Our video will stop. So for this part, we get the bare board and go into the shredding. For the shredding, they have you can see on the two sides they have one machinery, and also they have the reduction machine, just reduce the speed, and also for other things reduction. See the PCB board, these materials for the shredder we're using the 165 mom. That is a good materials. It's more hard, more flexible, very nice. So that way can using for a long time. Hi new friend. Hi Santa. Hi Jordan. Welcome to our live stream. Jordan, Santa, how are you today? Hello new friends. Hello. This is Demi from Doing Company, honey. Oh, I think this is right here. Okay, this is Demi from Doing Company. Alright, I think you are going. So you can see this is very good materials for the shredder, for the knife here. And then after that, so here comes one question. When we need to put one reducer here, anybody knows? If anybody knows, just put your answer in the comment area. Okay, it doesn't matter. For this part, we just make sure the speed is not so fast. If the speed were so fast, they cannot crash the bare board properly. So that is why we put the reducer here. And then after that, our PCB board into the 5 centimeters partly and go into the crusher. So when we put two crusher here, because in some factory they are using the grading, but for our factory we're using second crusher. We're using the two crusher. First one, we can crush the PCB board into 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. And second crusher, we can divide the PCB board into the 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters, that is very small pieces. So we can just divide it, we can just separation it. This is a crashing, and this one, the knife is look like a hammer. So we can just hit it 1,000 times, and then the PCB board will come into the 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. This is a crusher, the first hammer crusher, and then we will go into the second crusher. That is like a plate crusher, because that is not look like a hammer. Later you're gonna see. And then on the top here, yeah, I have to say, on the top here we put the magnetic separator. Just remove some airings and just remove some not so expensive things. Hi Helder, hi CB, welcome to our live stream, our friends. How are you today? CB, how are you, honey? How are you? Hi, just say hi to me. Hello. Okay, let's continue. This is a magnetic. They will be remove some airing, and then after that they will go into the second crusher. See, this knife is look like a plate. Just crush it into 4 millimeters. It's very small pieces, and the plastic and the resin and fibers and the mixed metals already separate here, but this supposed to have some big pieces. So we go into the vibrating screen. This is our vibrating screen. We will separate the pieces is not reach to 4 millimeters, and then we will separation it. Yes. Oh, thanks Oliver, amazing live streams. Thanks, I'm so proud of that. Bravo introduction. Oh, really? Thanks, honey, thanks. Oh, really? Excellent, I think so. Okay guys, let's continue. Oh, where? This is eddy vibrating. This one we will separate the pieces is not reach to 4 millimeters. If the reach to 4 millimeters, they will go to the next layers. If not reach to 4 millimeters, they will go on top and go back to the second crusher. Crush it one more time until it reach to 4 millimeters. So we can separate the resin fibers and the mixed metals properly. And yes, by the way, for the whole processing line, we have the dust collection. That is automatic dust collection, and we using the pulse dust collection with the cyclone dust collection. 2 collection will be collected the dust together. I felt it. How was the equipment quality? Wonderful, honey. Our equipment quality was wonderful, fantastic, excellent, amazing. If you use it, you will feel, wow, that is so great. And the materials, for the materials we can use in the PCB board recycling machine, just like those, honey. This is the one from our computer, also from our TV board. This is the one. And after our machines, you will get the resin and fibers and some mixed metals like the coppers, the gold, the silver. That is where I can get the board. Of course, you can get it from different places, like the home appliances places, like some other places you can get it. Okay, let me check it for you. Okay, you will get it from the home appliances recycling center and for automobile repair center. Some of the PCB board production factory, they will have those materials, and also for some environmental recycling center. Just like some places they are fix the TV, fix the computer, you can get the board. Yeah. What's this meaning?